How do I help my clients prevent having unexpected repair costs? By making sure that either the seller, the buyer, or myself as the real estate agent giving a gift to my client puts in place a home warranty. I have a home warranty on my property, and almost all of my clients have been able to get home warranties for their own. And let me explain how this works. The home warranty, typically purchased at the closing day when you get the keys, will last for a year, and it will cover the major systems like your HVAC and your plumbing, etc., as well as your appliances. And the one that I typically choose for my clients also includes a limited roof leak. So that provides protection for minor little things that may occur that are not storm related. In other words, like hurricane related. So let's say, for example, something, bumps into the side of the shingle and it picks it up a little bit. Your limited roof leak can provide for the proper remediation of that and any residual damage in with it. I personally have had a new thermostat put in because of a power surge that blew my thermostat. I had a water heater replaced because it couldn't be repaired. And I've also had a couple of plumbing things that were taken care of with the warranty. And what's great about it is that all I do is I call my warranty program and they send out a licensed contractor on their list, and it relieves me from having that burden. So think about that. A lot of people have said, well, I don't want to pay for home repairs when I own a property. I like that the landlord has to take care of it. You don't realize it, but chances are you're probably paying for somebody's home warranty anyway. So you might as well do it for yourself, and I can show you how you would save money by owning instead of renting.